Hey guys, hope you all have been well. I'm going to bring to you yet another tutorial on this makeup look here. It is very easy and you're gonna see just how easy it is in this video. It is a quick eye look. I will be listing all the beauty products for you down below, and if you're interested in just seeing a photo with a list of all the products, check me out on Instagram. It will be the first link in the description box down below. Without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and let's get straight into the tutorial. So I did get started on this eye already because I wanted to get an idea of what exactly I'm doing. So some of the stuff I just kind of went ahead and did because everyone has their own routine. So I did my brows and I used the Veluxe brow liner in Taupe from MAC. Then for the base of my eyes, I just used the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in light medium honey, and I set that with the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder so that I can apply my eyeshadow on top of that. For today's tutorial, I will be using the Tarte Tartelette in Bloom palette. This one here is Sweetheart. I'm going to use that as my transition. Then I'm going to use Rebel as my crease color. Later is going to be the all over lid color, kind of bring it out towards the crease a little bit. And then I'm going to use Activist here, which is like a black and brown. I'm going to use that as my liner on the outside corner to darken it up and double up as my liner as well. First thing you want to do before you get started is to get some tape, and this is a trick if you don't know it already. It's to kind of place the tape on the back of your hand so you get rid of a lot of the tackiness before you apply it on the side of your eye, and then you just place it at a diagonal. I usually like to follow where I would normally put my liner, just so that when I take it off I don't have to re-blend anything. It may seem like I was cutting through the footage, but I literally did that in less than 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to take off the tape. Foundation, Estee Lauder Double Wear in Honey Bronze. I don't think this is my shade. I continuously am getting lighter. Go figure, I need to get in the sun. And for primer, I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Step 1 Skin Equalizer in Smooth Primer. And to go along with my foundation, I'm going to apply the Charlotte Tilbury Wonder Glow just so that it cuts down on the matteness of that foundation. Moving on to the rest of my face, I'm just going to use the same concealer to highlight, and then I'm going to set my face using both the Rimmel Stay Matte for those highlighted areas. And for the rest of my face, I'm just going to use MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish, and I'm in the shade Medium Dark. By the way, I didn't mention which shade I'm using for Rimmel Stay Matte. It is 020 in Nude Beige. For the rest of the face, I'm going to use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Illuminator in Riviera. Looks like this. And then for blush, NARS's Deep Throat blush. Now let's get to applying it. We're gonna finish off the eyes by taking that color. What should I put? Let's do Rebel and Activist. I'm going to use Rebel throughout the bottom portion and then just use Activist on the outer corner. Then for my lashes, I'm going to use Koko lashes in Goddess and then apply some mascara on top of that with L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black. We're finally finishing off with the lips, and for today's lip combination I'm going to be using MAC's Lip Liner in Plum and the ColourPop Ultra Matte Lip in Cheese. I've never tried this lip combination before, so let's see how it goes. That is the tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed, and again, all the beauty products will be listed down below. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, it will be the first link in the description box. And if you have not done so already and would like to be part of this family, go ahead and click the red subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. Until the next video, which I hope will come out sooner rather than later, because I have made a promise to myself to just get back into filming. So we're going to make sure we hold true to that promise. Come on, Annabelle, you can do this. But till that video, I hope you guys are all doing well and taking really good care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye, guys.